Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. As to is back at me. I have this GMC Yukon XL 2019, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life real quick. All right, I'm gonna start the vehicle. You can do that while the vehicle is running. Step on the brake, press the start button. Now you're gonna see that message, change engine oil soon. All you're gonna do is play with this guy, press the check. Is it up, down, left, right? Okay, and this is check or okay. Press check. Now all you're gonna do is scroll down until you see this option, remaining oil life 4%. It's right there, almost at the bottom. So all you're gonna do is press the right arrow, and that's gonna pop up, and just press check. And it's gonna ask you, oil life, are you sure you want to reset? Scroll up, press check, and that's pretty much it. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2019 Denali, whatever you want to call it, Yukon XL. Alright, see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Estuvo Boom.